Well, welcome back to Doggone RVN. This is just a little update for all my viewers to let you know what's going on with my channel. The past several weeks it's been colder than a well digger's, and it finally warmed up enough to rain, snow. Now we're having snow, but still drops down to the bottom 20s at night. Boy, I tell you, I can't wait till spring comes. Anyway, some good news is later this month is when I go to the breeder to check out the newborn litter that I'm hoping to pick Spirit from. One of the 3 females out of the litter of 4. And I'll know later this month, I hope, if I'm going to have a brand new Border Collie pup to raise with EMBER or not this season. Also, I noticed that I finally got a reply from one of my readers who is good at giving feedback, let me know what he thinks, and he requested my stickers. And of course, for some reason, these things end up in the junk mail, and I get more junk mail now from the internet than I ever got in my mailbox. So sometimes I just get over flooded and I just hit delete, and so at least I caught this before I deleted it. So I'm sending him the card and stickers. Now, if you guys out there have requested the free card and sticker, and I'm scratching my head why nobody has except this guy, unless I've missed a lot, please send your request back in to me. My email is down below here in the description, and put in the subject bar in capital letters, free card and sticker offer, okay? And tell me how many copies or sets you would like. What I'll be doing is, what I have here is my brand new current sticker and card designed by my son, a graphic artist. And I can send you up to 2 of these, 4 max if you really need the 4, but please stipulate 1, 2, 3, or 4 sets, okay? And with that, I will also send you, because I got a zillion of these leftovers, the old decal and card when I had both my dogs who previously passed away, Sarah and Katie. So you'll get quite a bit for free, and it's the only way I got of advertising my channel to people that are really interested, because I'm not going to mess with Patreon or buy me a coffee. I think the most I'll ever do is, if I figure out how to do it, set up a donation button through PayPal or something. So if you guys out there that are constant viewers really care, you can donate a couple bucks to buy the girls a bag of their favorite treats or something, okay? Also, some of the changes I've been working really hard on, I'm trying to raise the bar for my channel, and that starts with more eye-catching graphics for like the thumbnails, how I slide in to my topic, music that's relaxing and uplifting, and just a nice blend into the start of the video. So it'll be next month, sometime in March, when I plan my official relaunching of Doggone RVN, travels through the west of America. And I hope the way I approach it this time, with the improvements I make in my videos, cinematography, the music, I hope to attract more people of all types that travel in all kind of rigs, and travel with their pets or don't travel with their pets. I think the information I can relay to those, my viewers, would be useful for anybody, because traveling in a 19-foot RV with 2 dogs, you learn one hell of a lot. And I've done that over the past, well, I've been doing this since 2018. And I think I've got a lot of common sense, especially common sense, to share with my viewers out there. So my new goal starting out again will be to create more interesting, enjoyable, and at times informative videos of the places we go, places we explore, and the places we discover. I plan to inform you as to the dangers that might be in that area, plants and animals. Also raise the bar on my videos, take more time, put more thought into their format and everything. So you, the viewer out there, that are kind enough to click on our channel and watch a video, will be glad they did and be interested in maybe watching more based on how I've upgraded them, improved them in cinematography and flow and music and everything. Because I think what I like, a lot of people out there, if they want to be truthful, would say they would like too. So that's the plan. I'm raising the bar on my channel. I want to inform people, entertain people, and just let people know that traveling in a little RV with even 2 dogs, medium size, is really no-brainer if you just use common sense. So I'm also remaking and updating the videos in a 6th series of videos on all my upgrades and improvements to my 2008 Pleasure Ways Ascent, which I bought in 2018 and have since spent several years upgrading it in about 12 phases. And each phase included a major upgrade, a minor upgrade, and little personal touches. So I did every phase, paid it off, then moved to the next phase. And it all stems from a horrific accident I had long ago when I started RVing for the first time when I bought my rig. And you can look up the video on that in my channel. But after that disaster, I sat down and planned out a 12-phase improvement for my RV. Because back then in 2008, my RV was very, very basic. It had a crank-up antenna and an awning. I think that was it. Nothing else. So, yeah, I've done one hell of a lot to this rig, because I wanted it to be useful, hopefully, all around the seasons. However, it's not working out too well when it gets down into the 20s. Okay, so, like I said, I'll be relaunching my Doggone RV'N Travels to the American West channel, where my 2 girls and I solo travel, boondock, explore, discover across the vast western United States. And that territory covers from Canada all the way down to the Gulf of Mexico or the Gulf of America. It depends on what you like. And from the Pacific coastline all the way to and over the Rockies into the Plain States on the other side. That is my area I plan to travel and explore in, say, the next 14 years. So, anyway, that's it. I just wanted to touch base with all you out there that watch our channel. We haven't disappeared. I am working on just making it better, putting more thought, planning into it, and put to work everything I've learned by watching others that I really think a lot of as far as their quality of the YouTube channel and their videos they put out. So, stay tuned, hang in there, Pretty soon you'll get to see the brand new pup, and we'll have an official kickoff of Doggone RVN for a new era. So, as we always say here on Doggone RVN, we wish you happy trails and woof, woof. Catch you later.